Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So back again, another outstanding, another very beautiful, you can see in this video, new plus size embroidery blouses with plain skirts designs. Beautiful new office wear and party wear, evening wear plus size two-piece dress designs. So friend, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. I am gonna share with you in this video. These are all different designs of new different two-piece dress. Beautiful embroidery blouses with plain skirts. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video that I have just collected for you guys. New plus size embroidery blouses with plain skirts designs. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you guys. I always try to bring more useful videos, new plus size dress designs, two-piece dresses, embroidery two-piece dresses, plain dresses. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you guys. So friend, please visit my channel and watch my full videos, enjoy my videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. So till the next videos, take care friends. Allah Hafiz.